Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you this scene on TV, Creaclip. So I've been wanting to cut my hair, my own hair, but it seems like it's very hard to cut it. And every time I go to beauty salon, it's just a hit and miss. Sometimes you get it and sometimes they don't. So this one here, there's a big one and then there's a small one. So I think the small one is for bangs and this one here is for full length. Okay. So we're gonna cut it. So let's see the back. It's still long. I wanted it to be shoulder length. I might have to do it again, but this is how it looks right now, which is not bad. Which is not bad. That's my back. That's my back. Before I cut my bangs, I want to cut it a little bit short. I'm going to do it again because it's still long. Ta-da! Now I'm going to do the bangs. You can't really see the leveler, especially if it's shorter. I can't even see it. So right now I can't see the leveler if it's, so I'm just gonna estimate it. And I can't even see. I just have to do through the mirrors. I'm gonna cut it through using my mirrors. Just be careful. So what I really wanted to do was layer this part here, this one here. So it didn't do it. So I'm going to experiment. And I made a mistake because I had this facing me like this and I couldn't see the leveler. But the right way should have been facing the other way and looking in the mirror. Then you can see the leveler, you know, where the bubble is. So you have to cut facing the mirror, not the other way, facing you. Okay, so now I'm going to experiment. Layer this part. So let's see if I can do it. gosh. Oh Lord. I don't think I did it. You have to have somebody to cut your hair if you want to do the length in the back. It's kind of hard to do it yourself. I mean, the layer. Yeah. Yay, my husband cut my hair. Oh, short hair now. See? That's the back of my hair. It's pretty straight. Yeah. That's the back of my hair. Yes. There you go. Thank you, babe. This is much better now. More manageable hair. Back of my hair shorter and it's layered. So in conclusion, this is actually how it looks now. I trimmed a little bit. It's so if you ask me what I think about this product, I'm gonna use it in the future. I'm still gonna use it. It's just that it's not that easy. It looks easy on TV. It looks easy on the picture, but once you actually do it, it's a little bit hard. Maybe because this is the first time I've done it, and maybe as I continue to use this in the future, it'll be a lot easier. And so there's a learning curve, and it's definitely not bad compared to you know, if you just want to cut your hair on your own, just really easy trim. So it's not that bad. But if you want to cut the length of your hair in the back straight, you're going to have somebody else do it for you, because my husband had to cut my hair. It would be impossible to cut it on your own if you want straight. But if you want to do the layered look, if you have a long hair and the bangs, this would work. But for the price, I thought it's a little bit expensive. But if you're going to use it for many years, then I guess it's worth it. There's no regret of me buying it, because I will definitely use this in the future. Okay, so hopefully you learned something from this video. If you're new to my channel, please click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.